Full form of NCTE. Answer: National Council for Teacher Education. Full form of CBSE. Answer: Central Board of Secondary Education. Full form of IGNOU. Answer: Indira Gandhi National Open University. Full form of NIOS. Answer: National Institute of Open Schooling. Full form of CBCS. Answer: Choice Based Credit System. Full form of DPEP. Answer: District Primary Education Program. Full form of SCERT. Answer: State Council of Educational Research and Training. Full form of CBSE. Answer: Central Board of Secondary Education. Full form of SSA. Answer: सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. Full form of RMSA. Answer: राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान. Full form of UGC. Answer: University Grant Commission. Full form of KVS. Answer: केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन. Full form of NVS. Answer: नवोदय विद्यालय समिति. Full form of JNV. Answer: जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय. Full form of NCC. Answer: National Cadet Corps. Full form of MHRD. Answer: Ministry of Human Research Development. Full form of RUSA. Answer: राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान. Full form of NET. Answer: National Eligibility Test. Full form of ICSE. Answer: Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Full form of CGPA. Answer: Cumulative Grade Point Average. Full form of SGPA. Answer: Semester Grade Point Average. Full form of CCE. Answer: Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation. Full form of NCERT. Answer: National Council of Educational Research and Training. Full form of CTET. Answer: Central Teacher Eligibility Test. Full form of ODL. Answer: Open and Distance Learning. Full form of IT. Answer: Information Technology. Full form of MCQ. Answer: multiple choice question. Full form of NIT. Answer: National Institute of Technology. Full form of NPE. Answer: National Policy on Education. Full form of NCF. Answer: National Curriculum Framework. Full form of NSS. Answer: National Service Scheme. Full form of SEC. Answer: Secondary Education Commission. Full form of UEC. Answer: University Education Commission. Full form of NUEPA. Answer: National University of Educational Planning and Administration. Full form of NLM. Answer: National Literacy Mission. Full form of NPC. Answer: National Productivity Council. Full form of IIT. Answer: Indian Institute of Technology. Full form of CABE. Answer: Central Advisory Board of Education. Full form of RTE. Answer: Right to Education. Full form of SCERT. Answer: State Council of Educational Research and Training. Full form of BEd. Answer: Bachelor of Education. Full form of DLEd. Answer: Diploma in Elementary Education. Full form of DIET. Answer: District Institute of Education and Training. Full form of TLM. Answer: Teaching Learning Materials. Full form of AICTE. Answer: All India Council for Technical Education. Full form of ICMR. Answer: Indian Council of Medical Research. Full form of ICSSR. Answer: Indian Council of Social Science Research. Full form of NAAC. Answer: National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Full form of JRF. Answer: Junior Research Fellowships. Full form of AIU. Answer: Association of Indian University.